Today I will tell you little Luna's daily routine. Wake up, rise and shine. Me and my brother, it's morning time. Brush our teeth, fresh and clean. Get ready for the day, feeling like a queen. Books and lunch, packed nice and tight. Ready for a day that's oh so bright. Eat my meal with milk so white. Pack my bag, everything just right. Tiffin and bottle all in there. The school bus is here and I'm prepared. In class, I learn, I answer well. Teacher smiles and I can tell. After school, it's nap time. Sweet. Then play with friends. That's a treat. Snack with family. We laugh out loud. Homework done. I feel so proud. Dinner time and brush again. Early to bed. Dreams begin.
Good job, kids. Like, subscribe, and
Off to school. We go.